4th day in Bali. We are still in Movenpick, Jimbaran. Lilipat tayo guys ng resort pero hindi pa ngayon. We have 6 nights here.
But you're not finished.
Oh, not yet. I did a lot of stuff, guys. I washed in these bottles.
Yes.
I got you guys dressed. Tapos si Daddy naligo ng apakahaba. Ligo lang siya ng ligo dito. Siguro 3 beses siya naliligo dito.
Mommy.
Ang ano kasi din, ang humid ba?
How about this one?
Kasi sa bahay kapag summer, 2 beses yan naliligo eh. So dito, 3. Minsan lumalagpas pa ng 3.
Daddy.
You bring that? Why?
It's a bunny.
Why are you bringing it? Ah, you can put your, ano there.
Oh, is that your handbag?
Your son.
Oh, okay.
Daddy. Ay, ito na naman yung microphone blocked. Paano ba yan mawawala? Si Indy ang aga nagising. So kami ni Indy, well ako lang, hindi ganun katino yung aking tulog. But that's okay. That's normal na. And ang sakit na naman ng katawan. Nagpamassage tayo kahapon tapos. Sakit na naman ang katawan ko. But that's okay. Expected na. Kasi carrier si Indy. We carry her all the time. Alright. We will put her on the carrier. I mean, not carrier. On the pram. And hopefully makatulog siya sa pram. Yung microphone blocked. Laging lumalabas. And nabablock niya yung itaas ng screen. So, minsan hindi ko alam kung mag-film ako kasi nga may nakalagay na microphone block dyan. Nakakainis. It started, yesterday nung nag-film ako sa pool. Well, wala naman ako sa pool. Sila yung nasa pool. Tapos nag-film lang ako sa kanila. And it says microphone blocked. Anyway. Let's go. Nag-lip tint lang ako, guys. Okay na ako. Ready na yung mga bata. Kanina pa yun. Ay, Ayla! Babe! Come here. I need to tie your hair. Come here, my love. Kasi yung buhok niya, grabe. Come here. Messy hair, don't care today, girl. We'll wash it. I'll wash it properly later, okay? Later, with shampoo and conditioner. Lots of conditioner. Ay. Napaka-humid. So, yung buhok niya, humid din. That's alright, my love. Ang ganda nga eh. Ang kulot. Love it. Oh my gosh. Boy, stop eating that now. Kayo, ha?
What are we doing?
We're going to have breakfast. Alright, I want Indy to stay here. Hopefully she stays here. No, I want Indy to stay on the carry. I mean the
Bobby
pram.
Daddy. Yeah.
Actually, doon natin ito ilagay sa kabilang kwarto. Tara. Ang ganda na niyan! Kanina pa yan ready. Ang ganda ng dress. Ang ganda ng dress. No, not for you. It's for Indy. Hopefully she sleeps. Are you ready to go? Matulog ka, bibi, para makafocus ako sa akong brekkie, bi.
What's that snow with mommy?
Hello! Sus ka, gwapa. Nagsige na po ni siya katawa. O, gwapa ra ba kayo ni siya makatawa kay makita ang duha kang
What
ipan.
about me?
Go to daddy. Go.
Daddy coming on us.
Yeah, of course.
Who's Dad? I want to go right here.
Go right there. You got the bag, Daddy?
Yeah.
Ooh, India, maawa ka sa akin, be. Huwag kang kumawala.
Mommy, where's my squishy?
Hello, guys. Alright. Indy, where's your dum-dum? Where's your dummy, Daddy?
She likes it.
Yeah, hopefully she sleeps. I want her to sleep here. There you go lang. Let her sleep, okay? Kanina ka pagising, baby.
You might have just balloon again.
Oh, did you pull?
I think I can smell something's up.
Me too. That one doesn't like it. My sister did a yucky.
Hello. Princess Indy, did you poo-poo?
Apple fish.
You poo-pooed.
Oh my god,
So you should sleep, okay? You should sleep because you did
Ugh.
not. Feel better? Feel better? Feel better?
1, 2, 3, 6, 20.
Did you bring that? Did you bring one or did you bring spare one?
You stay there, girl, and you sleep. Lang, lang, baby. Lang, lang, baby. India. Yummy? May baliit na cup pa. Ang cute. Alright, let's go.
This time?
Oh, good idea. Yeah. Can you stay there? No, don't press that, Alo. Alo, don't press that, okay?
Button.
It is a button, and that keeps her safe. So we gotta keep it on, okay?
Otherwise, just boom.
Oh, no. Alo, you look guapo. Oh, stop.
What's that for?
At 9 p.m. we have
Okay. Just an announcement.
it's on
What is it for us?
Public announcement. Sound check in all rooms on the 22nd. Okay. Alright. And then this.
yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, it's just a sound check for your safety and security. Public announcement sound check in all rooms. Please be reminded that it is only a sound test. Oh, good. Thank you. Ayla, where are you? Kanina pa kami naghihintay sa kanya. Naghuhugas ng kamay. Grabe ito maghugas ng kamay. Doktor ka ba? Ate mo, sus ka. Guwapa. Ang ganda mo, be. I love you, my love. Let's go. Hopefully she sleeps there.
Where's my flower?
What do you mean you
Oh,
flower?
it's in the bathroom.
I want it.
OOTD. Dress from Target. Binili ko ito matagal na, guys. Nung last pa natin punta ng Bali, 2023 ba tayo nag-Bali? Yeah. And nasuot ko siya ulit. Bali ulit. Ngayon ko lang ulit to siya nasuot. At maganda siya. It's from Target. Cappuccino here, thank you. Latte, thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Hello, 2 hands? Yep, 2 hands.
Let Daddy have a little bit before you drink it. It's too cold for you.
Two hands when you drink, please.
Mom, Daddy's sitting there.
Yeah, that's it. Do you want me to move it? You can sit there. Good job, Alo. Do you still have food there, Mai? Or do you want more?
Let me check.
You wanna check Alo's food? Go check. Andun si Arlo sa kids area eh. Check his plate.
Yummy.
nandito ako sa kids club. Kasi pag after breakfast, pumunta ako dun sa room, may naglilinis. So, bumalik ako dito sa kids club kasi every after breakfast, nandito yung mga bata. Ako pumapasok sa kwarto kasi nap time nito. Before pa natapos yung breakfast, natulog na siya, guys. So, karga-karga ko siya papuntang kwarto. And, may naglilinis nga. So, pumasok ako dito, tapos nakita ko ni ate. Sabi niya, may baby room kami, pwede mo ilagay yung bata. So, lagay natin si Amy. Ikaw na talaga natulog dyan, babe. Tanggalin na natin ito. May camera ba dito? Para atin siyang mapanood. Wala. So, merong dalawang beds. Yan, at saka yan. Ang cute. You did it! You scared? Why? Nagising ang aming Inday. Hindi nagtagal ng tulog dun. Merong sobrang ingay dun. Malapit sa kwarto. No, nagising na tuloy. Go in. Go in. Oh. Ito yung ginagawin na eh. Let's ano. Balik kami sa room. Tapos na yun sila kuya maglinis. Medyo kani-kanina pa yun eh. Gusto ni Ayla magpa-braid ng buhok. Meron dun sa kids club, kailangan mo ipabook. Kailangan kong ayusin yung paghugas ng buhok niya. Kasi meron pa ding natirang matigas galing sa slime. So, sabi ko, ayusin natin ang hugas. Kasi pag nag-braid ka na, baka hindi na natin maayos ng hugas yung buhok mo. Yeah, it's hard. So after the pool, we'll wash your hair thoroughly, okay? Why are you laughing?
You look funny.
Bye, guys. See you later, ate. Enjoy.
Think about it.
Later, Mommy.
See you later, Alo. I'm not coming, Alo.
No.
Why not?
Because you're naughty.
I'm being naughty.
Yeah.
What did I do?
Then you hold me.
I did not hurt you.
Yeah, me too.
Whatever, kid.
Yeah.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Ow, wait, you.
Alright. Go enjoy.
Whoa, you.
If Indy wakes up and you're still not here, we'll go follow you guys.
We need a big section of that.
We're gonna go to the beach section because the kids' pool
If we're
is
not there,
under
we'll be on that side
maintenance.
anyway.
I'll look for you. Mag-pool sila. Hindi ako makaalis kasi si Indy tulog. And gusto kong matulog din. Try natin matulog, guys, babe. Kasi nalinis na yung kwarto eh. So, wala tayong nihintay na cleaner. Let's sleep. Kasi wala akong ayos na tulog na kagabi because India didn't like sleeping. Ano na? Bakit tayo nakabihis ng pang-swimming? Ano na? Sabi ko matutulog ako. Walang tulog na nangyari, guys. Tinatry ko matulog. Nakahiga na ako doon. Mga 15 minutes. Patulog na ako. Nagising na tong isa. Nagising, tas ayaw na matulog. Susunod na lang kami. Kami na lang ang susunod na naman. Let's go. Sige, pakapagod tayo. Pakapagod. Try natin matulog mamaya. Ano na? Ano na? Since kaninang umaga, walang ayos yung nap niya. Let's go. Let's go. You ready to follow Dada? Do you wanna go to Dada? Iwan ko kayo dito. Hindi ko na kayo dadalhin. Baka ano pang mangyari sa inyo pag Pag ginamit ko kayong i-film sa pool. Oh, saya-saya niya, oh. Are you gonna go swimming? Do you love swimming lang? Alright, let's go.
You don't need any more.
What are you building?
You're making a thing.
Oh, it's a cake.
Yeah, because
I thought you were building a castle.
it's
Hello!
Hello.
May ganito din silang area dito, guys. Nilagyan nila ng sand yung pool. So, maganda kasi alam niyo naman itong mga batang itong hilig sa sand. So, galing na kami dyan. And alis na naman kami ni Indy kasi parang antok na talaga siya. Totoo na ba to, be? Or naglulukuhan lang tayo, be? She was in the water for a little bit. Oh, no, not a little bit. A long time as well.
No, I'm throwing sand.
Matagal-tagal din yun. No. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Say goodnight, everyone. See you later.
Say goodbye to Indy.
Bye, guys.
makes me hurt.
Okay. Where are we going na naman, guys?
I am going to riding.
Braiding. No, we'll just go to the kids club. Yeah, playground. Check if they can do the braid today.
Mommy, what would you do?
Bye, Daddy.
You
They said you have to book, so we'll see.
wanna go?
Yeah. Let's go there and ask. Inano na namin yung buhok niya. Winash. Naligo na kami kasi galing kaming pool.
Mama, we put that really strong fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a foot.
Yeah, let's go. Merong ano si Daddy ngayon eh. Massage. 4:30. It's 2:30. So, meron pang 2 oras. Hindi naman siguro ganun katagal. We'll see kung magagawa nila today yung braiding ni ate. Yeah? For the color. Oh,
Okay, put your
wow.
paper here.
Ooh.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
You wanna do that, Alo? Okay.
Take it up. Yep.
Oh, that's beautiful, Ayla. Your turn? Okay. Oh, Alo, that's a big one. Big giant bubbles. Oh, green.
Okay, here, put here. Yep.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a rainbow bubble.
Yeah, rainbow. Okay, take it out.
Take it out, eh.
Okay, one again, okay? Yellow.
Just wait for your turn, Alo. Okay, Alo?
Okay, put here, your paper. Come on.
Put it on, Ayla.
Yep.
Good job, baby.
Okay, take it up. Now,
It's Ayla's Alo. Oh, wow. Let me see. Oh, that's beautiful. Your turn. Okay. Your turn.
Where's your paper?
Here, Alo. Your paper.
Yeah. Wait. Okay, here.
Put it on.
Okay.
Oh, very
Three,
cool.
Okay, wait. Wait. Yeah, take it up.
Good, Alo.
Wow. Okay.
Go, Alo.
Here.
A rainbow, yeah.
Yeah, take it out.
Go, Alo. Is it cool? Oh my gosh, that's very cool. More again? It is. It is an explosion. Yeah, big giant one. Alo, this is gonna be the cool one. Green, your favorite color. Go.
What's your favorite color?
Get it, Alo? Oh, so cool! Put it down. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Well done.
With the pencil colors.
Hello. We're out again, people. Go, Arlo. Good boy. Punta kami sa rooftop na naman. Let's have drinks. Kasi yung massage ni Daddy in an hour pa. So, meron pa kaming isang oras. Mag-drinks tayo dun. And then, right after massage, as in right after talaga, punta tayo sa beach, guys. Magsi-seafood tayo. So, lakad na naman tayo dito. Ang ganda actually. Gustong-gusto ko yung location ng resort. Kasi ito yung katabi niya. Tas halos everyday. Well, everyday since we got here, meron silang ganap dito sa area na to. And maganda siya kasi hindi siya like road agad na sobrang busy. Pwede ka lang maglakad-lakad dito. May mga shops din. May souvenir shop dyan. May mga clothes shops. Tapos meron ding yan, malaking souvenir shop yan. Yun dun sa kabila. Watch your step, Alo. Tapos may mga coffee shop. Maganda dito, guys. Tapos if you keep walking, nandun na yung time zone. Ang galing. Very kid-friendly ng whole area. Gustong-gusto din to ng kids dito. Lagi kaming dumadaan dito. Lagi talaga. Tapos may ring kasi dyan. Yan, gustong-gusto ni Ayla yung dalawang rings. Go, show me, Ayla, your gymnastic moves. We gotta hurry. Ala, Arlo, babe. Is he okay? No. Good job, Arlo.
You can't do it.
Good job, ate. So, itong pa-playground na to, katabi lang nitong Krishna. Ayan. Tapos sa loob niyan, marami silang bentang mga damit, mga souvenir. May nakita nga akong singlet ni Dan, hindi ko lang sure kung kasya sa kanya. But yeah, itong mga to, gusto ko yung itatry. Kaya lang, alam niyo ba yung chips na binili natin the first day natin dito? Kanina ko lang naubos. Kasi hindi ako makakain ng sobrang dami. Para itry siya ba? Para alam natin kung ano yung damihan natin kainin or damihan natin bilhin. Yung nuts nandun pa din. Nung film ko sa inyo, nakinain ko yun lang, yun pa. So second day, hanggang ngayon, nandun pa din. Same amount ng nuts. No? Joke lang ang lahat. Kasi mag-open sila ng 4. Wala pang 4.
Mommy, look at this.
Oh, wow.
I gotta get off.
Pero marami namang mga pwedeng kainan dito. Kaya lang, dun kami may voucher eh. So yun dito, bayad na tayo. Out of pocket na tayo dito. It's okay.
The ramen go with this vegan.
Sayang kasi yung voucher namin. Kasi mag-ano kami mamaya. Magdi-dinner sa labas. Yeah.
The ramen go with this vegan.
Yeah, it will be gone for sure. Let's see. What do you guys want? Follow me, Alo. Not too far, Daddy. We can sit there, Daddy, so we can watch. Napunta tayo sa donut. Nabudol ako ng poster sa labas. They have mozzarella cheese donut. Pabili natin, try natin, guys. The kids don't want any. Hey, Indy, do you want mozzarella donut? Mommy will try mozzarella donut. Yung kainaan ko eh. Mga pa-cheese nyo na yan eh. Yummy. You wanna try the donut with Mama? Do you wanna try the donut? You wanna look at the guys? Guys, I'm India. Try the donut. Ininit mo ito ni Kuya. Ano masarap? Ay! It's falling apart. It is falling apart.
That's all.
It's hard. I wanna eat, girl. Sit down.
That's yours. 2 hands. Thank you.
Do you want it in there? I
You want to sit next to your brother? You guys sit after this.
Ano ba dala? It's nice. It's nice and warm.
Give it.
Yeah. Can you try?
It's good actually.
It is good, no?
Not sour.
Ganda. Yummy yun?
I'll try you others too.
Do you want it?
The gas didn't give me that.
That's nice as well. Go get some serviettes.
Say tissue.
My favorite peanut. Look. Mom, where?
May ATM area din pala sila dito, guys. Katabi lang nung donut. So, yeah, apang convenient, diba? Diyan nagwi-withdraw si daddy. So, kaharap lang siya ng ito. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, Chris na. Nandito na naman kami kasi yung mga bata, oh. So, parang kaka-4 lang ata. Balik na kami doon after nitong... Hintayin lang namin yung oras. Basta 4:30 yung massage ni daddy. Tapos dapat 4:20 nandun na siya. We are back in the room. We are back in the room. Meron kaming isang oras dito habang nagpapamasahe si daddy.
And Daddy gave me money.
Oh, daddy gave you money. Oh, show the guys.
Dad, I got money and Daddy gave me a coin.
A coin. Come here.
And I'm buying toys.
Are you? Alright, come on.
Pikachu.
You wanna buy Pikachu?
Yes.
He wants to buy Pikachu, guys. Look how guapo my Arlo is, guys. And Ayla is very, very guapa today.
Mommy,
And Indy.
Mommy, Daddy put it like stand up and it's full, so I'm putting it right there.
Oh, very good. Thank you, baby. Just keeping the hotel room clean. Ay, sakit ng likod ko.
Yeah.
Tapos mamaya na naman, karga na naman tayo the whole time sa restaurant. So magdadrive kami, well magta-taxi kami papunta sa ano mamaya, sa seafood restaurant. Punta tayo sa Jimbaran Beach. Magsi-seafood tayo dun. And guys, kanina hindi na talaga ako nakapigil. Ang tagal ng mga bata sa playground kasi nga And
I don't buy Pikachu this morning.
kasi nga hinihintay namin yung oras. Yung mga bata nandun lang sa playground. And nakatitig lang talaga to sa akin. Isa to sa mga display nila dun.
Yes.
And
money.
And I gave in. So, after ni Dan dun sa ATM, sabi ko, pahingi ako 30,000. Grabe na yung mga pinaghihingi natin pera. Ang lalaki na. 30,000 pahingi. And bumili ako nito. And guys, ang sarap. Buti na lang tinry ko siya kanina. Tingnan nyo natira. Punong-puno to. 30,000 siya. So, $3. Salmon skin. Masarap siya, guys.
A monkey outside. A monkey and other tree. A monkey make other monsters.
Yeah. Ang sarap niya, guys. Tamang-tama lang, hindi maalat. Kasi hindi nakakaumay. Sabi ko sa inyo, mauubos ko to. So, ito yun. Ole Ole Kasbali. Kerepek Kulit Ikan Salmon. Salmon skin chips. So, yung ingredients niya lang is salmon skin, salt, garlic, vegetable oil, and wala daw preservatives. Diba? Sarap. Guys, nandito na kami sa Jimbaran Beach. Punta tayo sa Ayu Valley Resto. So, dyan. Yan. Yan yung restaurant. But, binaba kami ni Kuya dito eh. So, sabi namin, baba muna kami. Punta muna tayo sa beach before ng restaurant. Because look at this, guys, the sunset. And look how busy. Everyone's watching the sunset.
Sunset sinking low in the sky. Footprints in the sand as we walk by. Seagulls call, they ride the breeze. Whispers of the sea through the trees. Shells in hand, cool by the tide. Moonlight glows where shadows hide. Stars peek out, they start to gleam. Lost in waves of distant dreams. Feel the waves beneath our feet. Every step a rhythmic beat. Hand in hand we find our way. With the ocean's gentle sway. Salt and breeze weave through our hair. All our troubles disappear. In this moment we are free. Bound by nothing, just you and me. As the twilight turns to night, hearts aligned, everything's right. The universe in just our reach. Magic found on this serene beach. Feel the waves beneath our feet. Every step a rhythmic beat. Hand in hand we find our way. With the ocean.
Beautiful, thanks.
Feel the waves beneath our feet. Every step a rhythmic beat.
Napakadami namin pagkain. Kami lang 4. Dalawang bata pa. Ay, ang sarap ng crab, mala. Pero merong kangkong, oh, diba? Kain tayo, guys. Ang hirap. Kasi ayaw magpa-ano ni Indy. Hey, are you gonna let mommy eat? Okay.
He got on the sand.
You want to hold it for a bit?
That's good. Guys, look at us. We finished it all.
Mama,
We finished it all.
Daddy,
Yes.
the people stand here.
Buti na lang nandito si Dan. Pinapakain niya lang ako. Kinukuha niya yung mga shell. Kasi ngayon lang tayo natulog nung tapos na kami kumain. So kanina nakatayo lang ako the whole time kasi ayaw niyang umupo ako. So nakatayo lang ako, carry siya. Tinatry siya patulugin. Kumakain ako, nagpapatulog. Natulog nung tapos na ako kumain. But naubos namin, guys. My gosh. I think kaya yun ng 4 na tao siguro. Like,
There's a cartwheel, but little.
how much?
She did a cartwheel.
149, so.
Oh, that's good. 1.4 million.
Might put on card.
Card?
I should keep the cash for tomorrow.
Up to you. What card do you have? You didn't bring my card.
Nah.
Okay, up to you. Sige. Tapos bigay pa sila ng fruit. So kasali sa meal yung fruit. Ano kasi to? Family meal. So So, pinili lang namin yung family meal na may lobster.
Keep on island.
Alright. You stay here with me, mate? Tapos may rice din, merong gulay. Ang sarap ng gulay, kangkong. Ah. Not yet, not yet. Stay here, stay here. Daddy will come back. He's just gonna pay. Daddy! Arlo will come. Alright, go, go. He's coming. Alright, go. Pero maganda dito kasi hindi mainit. Hindi din humid. As in, ang ganda ng weather. Ang sarap.
Find all